Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video channel again. One more addition on regarding to the procedure that commonly we do in dental clinic, which is deep cleaning. Why is the deep cleaning is very important for every patient, especially those who have really crooked and crowded teeth. You can see that when you have crooked and crowded teeth, it is impossible for you to self-clench and maintain a good oral hygiene at the lower front teeth here. So this is the reason why patients tend to have a lot of plaque and calculus buildup, which consequently bring the accumulation of bacteria and chronic inflammation for your gum, and eventually your tooth will come loose and your tooth will come out by itself if you don't maintain them well. So a video like this just help a patient to see that if you have a crooked teeth and you are young, you should try to get orthodontist consultation, get braces, straight your teeth out. It's amazingly how difficult the patient can maintain the cleaning, especially those who love eating carbohydrate food. It's very easy to get stuck on the between the teeth, and it's very difficult to remove because your teeth is so crowded. So, guys, get the deep cleaning and get a consultation with orthodontist, and learn from the uh, important that when you get deep cleaning, not only you get your teeth more healthier, but you actually reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease such as diabetes, heart attack, and stroke. And also, you can maintain your teeth in a longer way, nicer teeth, more confident. For example, look at the teeth is straight. There's less plaque build up. Thank you for watching. Have a great one. Bye bye.